In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the square root operator to calculate the distance between 2 points in three-dimensional space. The square root operator finds the square root of a value and is commonly used in geometry, including distance calculations based on the Pythagorean theorem. For this project, we'll create a simple AR distance measurement tool. The scene contains two measurement points, point A and point B. Both points can be moved along the X, Y, and Z axes using sliders. As either point moves, the project automatically recalculates the distance between them and displays the updated result on screen. Let's begin by creating the variables used throughout the project. Create 7 variables named XA, YA, ZA, XB, YB, ZB, and distance. The first 6 variables store the coordinates of point A and point B, while distance stores for calculated distance between the 2 points. Next, add the When Scene Starts block. This is where we'll initialize all of the variables before the interaction begins, and set each variable to 0. Giving every variable a starting value ensures both points begin in a known position and prevents unexpected results when the project starts. Next, configure each slider to control the appropriate coordinate variable. For example, assign the first slider to XA, the second to YA, the third to ZA, then use the remaining 3 sliders to control XB, YB, and ZB. For each when the value of ... changed in slider block, add a set position block to update the position of point A or point B using the corresponding coordinate values. This keeps the position of each point synchronized with its slider, so the movement is reflected immediately in the scene. After updating the point's position, add an execute block to run the distance calculation. Placing the calculation inside execute lets you reuse the same logic from every slider, instead of recreating the calculation multiple times. Inside the execute block, add distance to block. From the operators category, insert the square root block, then add 2 nested addition blocks to combine the squared differences from the X, Y, and Z coordinate. To calculate the square of each coordinate difference, use the power block from the operators category. This block takes a base value and an exponent. For the base, insert a subtraction block to calculate XB minus XA, then enter 2 as the exponent. This calculates XB minus XA squared. Repeat the same process for the Y coordinates to calculate YB minus YA squared, then repeat it again for the Z coordinates to calculate ZB minus ZA squared. Once all 3 squared values are ready, add them together using the nested addition blocks, then place the total inside the SQRT block. This follows the 3-dimensional Pythagorean formula to calculate the straight line distance between point A and point B. The final step is to display the coordinate values and the calculated distance on screen. Add separate update text blocks for XA, YA, and ZA so the coordinates of point A are updated in real time. Then repeat the same process for XB, YB, and ZB to display the current coordinates of point B. Finally, add another update text block and connect it to the distance variable. This text will display the latest calculated distance between the 2 points. Place all of the update text blocks after the distance calculation inside the execute block. This order is important because the coordinate values and distance should only be updated after the calculation has finished. Now you're ready to test the project. Move the sliders to reposition point A and point B. As you adjust the coordinates, the position of each point updates immediately, and the distance between them is recalculated automatically using the square root operator. You may notice that the calculated distance includes decimal values. This is expected. Since the distance is calculated using the Pythagorean theorem, the result is not always a whole number, and decimal values provide the most accurate measurement.